Guys, I know many of you are not using Perplexity's free API key that comes with Perplexity Pro. Even Perplexity Pro is free. I have done numerous video to show you like how you can get it for free, or you can get started from the link in the description. So when you have Perplexity Pro, you can access $5 worth of Perplexity API credits, which is more than enough for day-to-day task. If you don't know what's the importance of Perplexity API, you can use it for automation. I will also show you from where you can get the API key, how to use it with two examples that I am using in day-to-day life. So let me get started by showing you from where you can first get the API key, right? So once you have your Pro account, you need to click on your image like this and click on the API key right here. Then you need to click here. Here you can see that, so you will get $5 every month as a promotional credit when you have a Pro account. See, I already had some credits initially when Perplexity got launched. I was testing their API key. Then that time I added like $3 and it's still there, right? The usage is very limited. You can do a lot with even with $3. And as you can see, I have that monthly $5 along with remaining $3. In total I have $7.57. This is something that you have available every month. Please don't waste it. You can do like a query and test the API key, how you can get the response and things like that. And that's what this playground is for, to actually test how the API performs. Here you can click on the API key and just click on accept the terms and generate. You can just now give like a key name like YT. Just click on create the API key. Now you have the API key created, right? So what you have to do right now is, let me show you two examples. You can come to make.com. Suppose you want to create like an article workflow, right? You want to create an SEO optimized article that's based on actual information. For that, you can set up your workflow and use Perplexity, and you can create a chat completion, right? You can select from all these models. You can click on add and just paste the API key. You can name it like YT test. And once you add it, you will be logged in. Now you can use any of these models. I would definitely recommend Sonar Reasoning Pro because it gives you best quality, and you can add in your query here. Can select user, then can let's ask what's the Bitcoin price for today. Con run. See, you get the results like this, right? So it knows the current date. It's 23rd October 2025, and the search. So let's just search for it. Okay, so it's 109, right? So it's 109. As you can see, it's getting the actual results. So this was just an example. If you want, now you can pass it to, let's say, OpenAI and start creating your content based on the information. You can feed in like a topic, then Perplexity can do the research on that specific topic, get all the verified information. Then you can pass it to, let's say, Claude or OpenAI or any other AI chat model that you like. Then you can ask it to write an SEO optimized, factually verified content, and you can publish it to, let's say, WordPress or anything like that, right? So that's one workflow that I use. So this is just an example, right? I'm giving you like ideas on how to use it. The another important way that I use it is using VS Code. VS Code is now one of my most used software these days because it can do a lot for you, since it can connect to MCPs, right? So let's say I'm using client now, right? So if I just click here, you can type in like Perplexity, right? I have already installed it. The Perplexity MCP server is already there. So if you want to verify, you can just come here and look at the Perplexity research. Suppose if while developing something or doing any task, if I want it to ask something relevant, right, related to my coding project or anything, I can just ask the AI like this: can you use Perplexity MCP and figure out what's the latest version of Python? So now as you can see, without us having to go anywhere, it will do the research right there and use Perplexity, find out the latest information from the web and feed it that as a context to our AI model, right? So as you can see, it's getting all the relevant information like that. It's released on 7th October 2025 and this is the latest version. Let's double check it, latest version of Python in Google as well to see if it's correct. And in Google also 3.14 is the correct version. As you can see, this is the correct version. There are a lot of use cases wherever it accepts Perplexity, you can use it there programmatically in order to automate your research and feed in the AI with the latest information from the web. Very powerful. Use it. This is absolutely for free. You don't have to pay any money. So take advantage of it. Okay. So I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please do share and subscribe. And if you already don't have a free Perplexity Comet browser or Perplexity Pro account, you can definitely get that from the link in the description. Again, thank you for watching and have a great day.
Click that thumb and join the dream. Stay in the loop with the latest vibe. Hit that bell, come on, subscribe.